Today we will be going over how to do this mirror effect simply in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of plugins, some free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, go check that out because it will help your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. All right, so we have our clip here, and it's just a clip of a home, a drone scene, and we're just gonna enhance this clip a bit. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to go to our effects tab, and we are going to go to distortion, and we're gonna go to our mirror effect. We're gonna place our mirror effect on our clip, and you guys can make adjustments to how you want it to be. If you want it, spread out, if you want it tighter, closer in, it's totally up to you guys. I'm just gonna have mine kind of symmetrical right here. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to add just some aesthetics to this. So I'm gonna add a blur, and we're gonna go with a radial blur. I'm just gonna drag that on our clip. I'm just gonna turn the amount down a little bit and put the center in the center right there. And now as we play this back, you see we have a nice looking distortion effect right there with our mirror effect. So now it's looking really good so far. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to press Command R to bring up the time mapping of this clip. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press Shift B towards the middle to split that clip. And we're just gonna speed the first part of the clip up to about 4 times 4. And we're just gonna adjust our time. And I am going to play this back to see how this looks so far. It's pretty good so far. And guys, you can make adjustments to this along the way. You can still bring this in if you want. See how this looks. That looks good as well. I'm just gonna leave that right there. We're going to add our glint light effect just to add some more aesthetics to finish off this effect. And I will leave the link to this in the description as well. Add this on, and you can make adjustments. Turn the brightness down. Turn the intensity down a bit. And now, let's start this back from the top. Let's play this through. So this is looking pretty good, guys. And that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys learned something. This was a quick video tutorial today, just to give you an effect that enhance your videos. Like I said, guys, go check out the website. We have plenty of plugins, some free and some you have to pay for. But all in all, they will help your Final Cut Pro workflow. So guys, take advantage of the website. And guys, I will upload more videos just like this and even better. So subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right, thank you so much, guys. All right, bye.